Well, David Scott made the trip to Dayton from his home in Tennessee for today's hearing, but he was not allowed to go to Preble County while he was here. I spoke with Scott and his family after that hearing, and it's clear they're still very angry with Preble County officials. David Scott walks away from the federal courthouse in downtown Dayton, but he's far from free. Scott is wearing a GPS ankle bracelet and faces federal charges, accused of threatening to torture and kill Preble County Sheriff Mike Simpson, along with a handful of other county officials. Scott entered a not guilty plea to 8 counts of making threats.
I don't know what was said between David and Preble County. I imagine a little frustration.
John Moran, a family friend of Scott, says that frustration stems from the conviction of Scott's brother, Billy. Billy Scott was convicted of killing Lisa Marie Buckley in July of 1990, and his family's been fighting the jury's decision ever since, putting up signs and updating the website, clearbillyscott.com.
We've worked at this for 18 years, and we've gotten nowhere. Preble County is one crooked place.
But according to federal court documents, Scott took that anger too far. Records say Scott called Preble County investigator David Lindloff 8 times this year, threatening to, quote, carve him up, along with his family and other Preble County officials who called the FBI.
Whether you agree or disagree with what happens in court, the judicial system, or whatever the case may be, you cannot threaten public officials.
Moran says he cannot confirm or deny whether the calls were made.
I think they're going to find him innocent of that and send him on his road. We're going to get Billy out and put the right people behind bars.
If convicted, Scott could face up to 40 years in prison. Reporting live, I'm Holly Samuels, 2 News on your side.